What's up, everybody? What's up, everybody? Uh, as I'm showing you right now, car's not on the dolly yet, but that's all right. There was issues that came up that family members, whatnot, type situation, which that's fine. But tomorrow it will be on top of this. And as you can see, a lot more stuff got taken off towards the firewall. Front end's off. Oh, windshield's gone. And then, okay, the spacing I have, I'll show you. Damn! I'm sitting here, car to car. I look at it, it's about a little bit of spacing, and then after that, yeah, everything's out. I got the doors off. I'm dealing with the fuel stuff. It's loose. It's just mere. Once I get it on the dolly, then I'll drop the tank and get the rest of it off. So everything's loose. So that's why that's open. I had to unbolt the tube for the filler, and everything's that's new. Oh, where's the rear tires? Where's the axle? Where is everything? Yeah, I took 20 minutes out of one of the days, and yeah, it's all out. Way it should be pulled out. Only thing you see right there is the brake line, which it's getting all new anyways. This whole body needs fucking work too, so. But it's a lot lighter. Of course, deck lid shit, that's done and shot. And then my spacing over here too is damn. Which, while doing it, getting the car up or whatever, that door will be open, so there'll be room. Because, like I say, I mean, I could sit here. Let's do one pinky. Let's see. No, how about two fingers? No, three. A little wiggle. How about let me just set my hand down or let me grab under here someplace. Let me just grab right here where the cut is. Damn! She almost fell off the jacks. I mean, let me grab this part, the very center front. I'm afraid she'll fall off the rear jack because it's only on a single jack in the rear. Yeah, I didn't even put too much into it, and I lifted it off at least a couple inches with one arm. So tells you how light that this whole body is. I mean, that's in the front. The rear, I really don't want to play with because I got a single jack sitting there, and yes, it's got two jacks in the front, holding it up off the ground, and a single jack dead center in the rear. I don't want that to happen because it can teeter off or fall off. So, but the way I got it set up, I don't. Uh, I can lift up this whole front end of the car myself. So that's the thing I'm looking at. So it's no biggie because it's a shell. It's only a few 100 pounds, no biggie. So not the first, not the last to deal with, but the car is going on the dolly tomorrow, which I had to deal with a few things just because other things, and yeah. It's going on the dolly tomorrow, and then after that, a lot of changes is going to be happening, and a lot of things, so. Alright, you guys have a good night. Kick it. Don't have too much fun with everything else. Have a good weekend and all that. Be safe and always be kind. Later. Peace.